So I will have to be honest, I just finished watching Sardar Udham and I'm kind of speechless right now. Okay, that is how powerful this film is. It is going to stay with you long after it's over. जब Amazon Prime Video पे आप इस मूवी पे क्लिक करोगे, you kind of know what to expect, right? सरदार उधम सिंह पे है, जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर के बारे में होगी. The film also starts with these lines जो हम सब ने रटी हैं for our school exams. 13th April 1919, Brigadier General Dyer orders his men to shoot at innocent people at the Jallianwala Bagh. इतने सारे लोगों की मौत होती है. It's a bloodbath, a massacre, terrible chapter in our history. And when these lines disappear from screen, that's when you understand why cinema is important. You acknowledge the importance of good cinema and how powerful the visual medium is. Because although ये सारी चीजें हमें पता हैं, इसके बारे में हमने पढ़ा है, but probably we never truly understood the enormity of what really happened. And Sardar Udham is not soft on us. It is unrelenting. It doesn't let us look away. I must talk about the whole Jallianwala Bagh massacre sequence. It goes on for somewhat 15-20 minutes. You're taking it all in. You can't look away. And this film leaves you in a contemplative mood. ऐसा नहीं है कि इतने powerful stories या sequences mainstream Bollywood ने हमें नहीं दिखाए. Of course दिखाए, but कहीं पे it ends up becoming a tango between loud background score and crowd-pleasing dialogues. None of that happens here. What you witness is Shoojit Sarkar's mastery over his craft. 2 घंटे 40 मिनट की ये फिल्म है. जनरली इतनी लंबी फिल्म जब हम देखते हैं तो फ्रीडम होती है, पॉज कर लिया, स्टॉप कर लिया, इतने और डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हैं, फोन चेक कर लिया एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. आई कुडंट डू एनी ऑफ दिस. यू आर कंप्लीटली ग्लूड because Shubhendu Bhattacharya and Ritesh Shah ka screenplay grips you right from the beginning. The year is 1931. You meet Udham Singh, फिर वो रशिया जाते हैं, फिर लंदन आते हैं. Everything that's happening, he has to wait for 6 years till he manages to shoot Michael O'Dwyer, the whole Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Avik Mukhopadhyay ki cinematography, the screen is drenched in hues of deep blue and brown that sets a mood, and you're witnessing it all, reacting to everything. There are scenes that will tug at your heartstrings. You will get emotional, you will be angry, helpless, but you can't tear yourself away from it. Vicky Kaushal ke bare mein kya bolu aapko? He has raised the bar. The josh is so high, he doesn't even need to shout and ask. Honestly, the whole range that he has covered, from being this young boy trying to make sense ki kya ho raha hai, to eventually being so stoic in the face of death. Vicky Kaushal is so impressively measured as Udham Singh. He's so good that I can't tell you. Actually, I am telling you. Also, I want to tell you about Amol Parashar, Banita Sandhu. Chote roles hain, but they leave an impact. Shukkar e Rabka caricatures have not been cast as Gora Britishers. You have Sean Scott and Stephen Hogan. They bring authenticity, gravitas to what is happening. To wo matlab tum Hindustani idhara wala mazak nahi ho raha hai. Sardar Udham mein so much action is happening and yet it breathes thoughtfully. It leaves us in a contemplative state of mind. It's a deep film with very lofty ambitions and it's just so impactful. And I think it's going to happen to all of us कि हम सब इसे देखेंगे and then you want to Google more about Udham Singh, Bhagat Singh, read up on them, which is great, right? I want everyone to go watch it. Please do. इसे मैं दे रही हूँ 5 में से 4.5 quints. I hope this review was helpful. Please like it, share it, subscribe to the Quint. Also, comment section में अच्छे वाले comments. Don't forget to like my page on Facebook called Stuti on the Quint, so you know what films to watch, what to avoid, and all of that.